In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files in Microsoft Teams. Whether you accidentally deleted something important, a teammate removed a file by mistake, or you simply want to understand where your files go when they disappear, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, recovering files in Teams is much easier than most people think. First, open your Microsoft Teams app and head into the channel where the file was deleted. Once you're there, click on the Files tab at the top. This is where all your shared documents normally live. If something has been deleted, you won't see it here anymore, but that's okay. We're about to access the place where it actually gets stored. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, look for the option labeled Open in SharePoint, usually found near the top menu of the Files tab. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the SharePoint site that sits behind every Microsoft team. Yes, every single team you create in Teams automatically has a connected SharePoint site. Once the SharePoint page loads, look at the left-hand side and select Recycle Bin. This is where all deleted files go when someone removes them from a team. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're opening the correct team's SharePoint site, check that you have permission to view deleted items, and remember that you will only see files you originally had access to. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion. Once you're in the recycle bin, scroll through the list and find the deleted file you want to restore. Click on the file to select it, then choose the Restore option at the top. After that, SharePoint will send the file right back to the exact folder it was deleted from inside Teams. Just return to your channel's Files tab, give it a moment to refresh, and you should see your recovered item right where it belonged. It's also a good idea to remember how long the recycle bin keeps your files. Deleted items stay in the recycle bin for 30 days, which means you have plenty of time to restore anything that goes missing. However, keep in mind that standard channels and private channels each have their own separate SharePoint sites and their own recycle bins, so always check in the right place. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to recover deleted files in Microsoft Teams quickly and confidently, without any panic or confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?